Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Treja. Students, in our previous video, we discussed the palate of the buccal cavity. In this video, we are going to discuss teeth. We will study the classification of teeth. In this video, teeth are classified on the basis of number of sets present in a body. They are classified on the basis of shape of teeth. They are also classified on the basis of shape of cusp, and they are also classified on the basis of attachment of teeth with the alveolar bone. We also discuss the dental formula in this video. So first, we will study the classification of teeth on the basis of number of sets present in a body. So teeth are of three types on the basis of number of sets present in our body. If only one type of set is present in the body, then this is known as monophyodont, and we observe this in case of whale and prototherians. If the two sets are produced in the body, this condition is known as diphyodont condition. We observe this in case of man, apes and monkeys. After two sets, first set is temporary or milk teeth. After some time, they fall off, and at the place of milk teeth, there is the development of second set of teeth started, which is known as the permanent teeth set. If the seeds are many sets of teeth are produced in the body. One is fall, and then other is produced, the other is fall, then third set is produced. So many sets of teeth are developed in the body, then the condition is known as polyphyodont condition, and we observe this in case of fishes and amphibians. Next type of classification of teeth, that is on the basis of shape of teeth. If all the teeth are identical in the body, then the condition is known as the homodont condition. We observe this in case of fishes and amphibians. If the teeth are different in shape, then the condition is known as heterodont conditions. We observe this condition in case of human being. Four types of teeth are present and their shapes are different. On the basis of shape, first type of teeth is incisors. They are also known as the cutting teeth, and they are present on the front side of the face. They help in cutting of the food material, as the rabbits and squirrels generally use their teeth for cutting purposes. So incisors are very much developed in them. Second type of teeth are the canine teeth. They are the pointed teeth, help in tearing of the flesh, and they are very much developed in case of carnivores. Third type of teeth are premolars and molars. They are the grinding teeth, help in grinding the food material. So these four types of teeth are present in human being: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Shape of all are different. That's why the condition is known as heterodont. Hetero means different, don't means dentition. So different types of teeth are present in our jaws. This condition is known as heterodont condition. When two types of sets are present, as we already discussed in our previous classification, in case of human being, diphyodont condition is there. Two sets of teeth are produced, and here on the basis of shape, four types of teeth are present in case of human being. So teeth in human beings are diphyodont and heterodont. Here we are going to discuss the dental formula. The first type of set which is produced in case of human being is milk teeth, and second type of teeth is the permanent teeth set. When we write the dental formula, we only write the number of teeth in dental formula of only half jaw. Suppose this is the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. I divide this from the center. So this is the half upper jaw and this is the half lower jaw. This is the another half upper jaw and this is the lower half jaw. So in dental formula, we take only the upper half jaw and lower half jaw. So teeth, 4 types of teeth, how they are placed? Here are present the incisors. These are the incisors. After incisors, there are present canines. After canines, present premolars. And after premolars, they are present molars. In case of milk teeth, we write the number of teeth of the half jaw. 2102. 2 are incisors, 1 is canine, premolars are absent in case of milk teeth, and 2 molars are present. This is the number which I write for the upper teeth. Similar in case of lower half jaw, that is 2102. 2 incisors, 1 canine, premolars are absent and 2 are molars. This is for the lower jaw of teeth. If we complete the set, on this side also same type of teeth are there, so we divide this formula by 2. How many number of teeth are present in the upper jaw? 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 2, that is 10. 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 2, that is 10. 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. So total number of teeth present in milk set, that is 20. They are 20 in number. This is the dental formula for milk teeth. Now we study the permanent set of teeth. How many teeth are present in them? First we talk about the upper half jaw teeth. The formula is 2, 1, 2, 3. That is 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars and 3 molars. Similar in case of lower jaw, that is 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars and 3 molars. This is the formula of half jaw divided by 2 for the complete jaw. Number of teeth 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 multiplied by 2. The number is 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. The total number of teeth in permanent set, that is 32. So 32 teeth are present in the form of permanent set after falling of the milk teeth. And in the milk teeth, number of teeth is 20, as premolars are not present in the milk teeth. This is the complete dental formula in case of human being. First milk teeth appear, that is 20 in number. After falling of the milk teeth, there is the development of permanent set of teeth takes place. The number of them is 32. In case of permanent set, the last molar appear in the late ages. In the start, only 28 permanent teeth are developed in the permanent set. The last molar develops in the late age, maybe in the 28 years of age or 32 years of age, the last molar develops. Now the question arises, name the teeth which are monophyodont in case of human being. This is the interesting question. What we study about human being, that is two sets of teeth are there. The condition is diophyodont. But in question, what is going to be asked, that is the monophyodont teeth present in the human being. उनका नाम हमें बताना है. Name of the teeth which are monophyodont in case of human being. If we study here in the milk teeth, premolars are not there. Premolars are absent. And in case of molar, only two molars are present in the upper half jaw and two present in the lower half jaw. That is, third molar is not in the milk teeth. So the teeth which are not produced in the milk teeth, they are only developed or produced in case of permanent teeth. For them the condition is monophyodont. दोनों sets of teeth में वो present नहीं है. Milk teeth में वो produce ही नहीं हुए. कौन से? Premolars and third molar. They appear only at the time of development of permanent set of teeth. Premolars appear one time in permanent set and third molar also appear one time. So they are representing the monophyodont condition. So answer of this question, that is premolars only appear in the permanent set and third molar, it is only appear in the permanent set. They are absent in case of milk teeth. So they are showing the condition monophyodont condition. Another type of classification we are going to discuss here on the basis of shape of cusp. Cusp is the surface of teeth. There are four types. First is bonodont type. That is, they have the blunt shape of the surface, as in case of human being. Second type is cecodont type. We observe in case of carnivores. Teeth are pointed and sharp. They have been tearing of the flesh. Third type is solenodont type. The shape of the teeth is half moon shape. That is, they are crescent shaped. We observe such kind of teeth in grazing animals. And the fourth type is lophodont type. We observe in case of elephant. They are the speed breaker type. That is, elevation and then depression, elevation and then depression, elevation and then depression. So such type of arrangement is there in case of elephant. We call that condition is the lophodont type. Next type of classification, that is on the basis of attachment of teeth with the alveolar bones. Alveolar bones in the upper jaw, maxilla is there, and in the lower jaw, mandibles is there. So teeth are fixed with the jaw bones in the upper jaw, maxilla bone के साथ, and in the lower jaw, mandible bone के साथ teeth की attachment होती है. So on that basis, teeth are of three types. First type is known as the acrodont type, in which the teeth are superficially attached with the jaw bones. This is the surface of the jaw bones. Teeth are only placed on the surface of these jaw bones. So they are superficially attached, as in case of fishes and amphibians. In case of fishes and amphibians, we already studied polyphyodont condition. Many sets of teeth are produced. One is fallen, the another is produced. One is fallen, another is produced. Another is fallen, then another set is produced. Because the teeth are superficially attached on the jawbone, so they are easily fall down. The second is of pleurodont type. In case of reptiles, we observe this condition, that is, teeth are attached on one side only. This is the sockets of the bone, and here the teeth is attached only on the one side. That condition is known as the pleurodont condition. The last one is the thecodont type, that teeth are deeply embedded in the sockets of the jawbone. We observe this condition in case of human being and crocodile. This is the sockets of the jawbone in which teeth are embedded in the sockets, completely fit into the sockets of the jawbone. That condition is known as the thecodont condition. This is all about the classification. One more term we are going to discuss here, that is diastema. Diastema, it is the gap between the teeth. If there is a gap present between the teeth, when the condition is known as the diastema. We observed this condition in case of rabbit, as the rabbit is herbivore animal. Canines are not present in case of rabbit, so there is a gap between the incisor and the premolar. Canines are absent in case of rabbit, so there is a gap between the incisors and the premolars. That gap between the teeth is known as the diastema. So what we study here in case of teeth, what type of teeth are present in human being? They are diphyodont, as two sets of teeth are produced. One is milk teeth. After fallow of the milk teeth, permanent teeth appear. They are showing the heterodont condition. Shape of teeth are different. 4 types of teeth are present in the human being, that is incisors, canines, premolars and molars. They are bunodont. What is bunodont? That is, they are showing the blunt shape, which is found in case of human being. And the last one is the teeth are thecodont in case of human being, that is, they are deeply embedded in the sockets of the jawbone. This is all about the teeth in this video. In next video, we will study the structure of teeth. Thanks so much.